Welcome back to our channel. Now we are on question 2, D and D. Okay, now they change. Okay, they wanted to have a two distinct x-intercept by considering the discriminant means that discriminant has to be larger than 0. Find the set of possible value of AC. What's that? Just do it. Okay. Okay. Remember. Okay. B squared larger than 4AC, right? So you change it back. I want AC. Okay, AC is less than B squared over 4. Well, remember what there's a maximum value for B squared, right? 16. Okay, 16. So we know that our AC has to be smaller than 6 square over 4, right? Maximum 4. So less than 9. Less than 9. I counting again. Be careful. A and C. 1 to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is impossible? Okay, slowly. 1, okay. 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, no problem, right? 1 times that number is okay. 7, impossible. You can't make a 7 out. 8, okay, 2.4. So this out, we have a lot of things. Be careful, don't list it too many. Low 7, be careful. Okay, and then part E1, okay, consider AC equals 1. So that 4 quadratic functions are possible. So AC equals 1, B squared larger than 4. Okay, then think about what are the possible value for them. Okay, for this one, okay, AC equals 1, just 1. Okay, A equals 1, C equals 1, 1 cases. Okay, and then B squared larger than 4. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which number can be larger than 4? Square larger than 4? So 3 is okay. 2 okay. 2 okay. 2 cancel. 2 square is equal 4 a lot larger than. So B equals 3, 4, 5, 6. It guides you for the counting gap. So for AC 1 case, B 4 cases. So add multiply together 1 times 4, 4 cases. Okay. For number E2 a little bit complicated. Okay. AC equals to what are the possible A and C? 2 cases. Okay. 1, 2. Or 2, 1, right? Both are okay, so 2 cases. And then B square larger than 4AC, so B square larger than 8. Counting game again, counting game again. What are possible? B square larger than 8. 3 is okay, right? Oh, so it is 3, 4, 5, 6 again. It guides you for the next part, okay? So it's 2 cases for AC, 4 cases for B. So 2 times 4 is 8, okay? So we got 4 cases here, 8 cases here for AC equal 1 and 2. And then we have to continue our journey for the other AC, but it is story of another part. So stay cool and prepare to count more of it. See you guys.